In this problem, we see Kara needs 3 hours to mow and trim Mrs. Taylor's lawn. One day she asked her friend Peter to work with her. When Peter worked with her, the job took only 1 hour. How long would it take Peter in hours to complete the job himself? Okay, the best way to approach this problem is to think of this in terms of a rate. What I mean by that is we're going to write for Kara, she does one job in 3 hours. And so I think of this division term as a word per. So this is basically saying one job per 3 hours. Okay, and we know that she's doing this with Peter, so does one job. And Peter, who does one job in an unknown amount of hours. And this is equal to one job done in 1 hour. So when you kind of simplify this all together, this should look like 1/3 plus 1 over x is equal to 1. Now all we gotta do is just simplify this and solve for x. So first thing we gotta do here is just subtract both sides by 1/3, so we get 1 over x is equal to 2/3, and then we cross multiply, so we get 3 is equal to 2x, so therefore 3 over 2 is equal to x. So x is equal to 1.5. So that means that Peter does one job in 1.5 hours.